All right, good morning, everybody. It is a foggy day out there today. Decided to come out here to the coast on my day off, and conditions are actually pretty good. Very little wind right now. Incoming tide. I think low tide was about 3 hours ago. We'll see what we can do today. Let's get down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to go left or right today, but either way it should be fine. There's plenty of beach here. Probably can't tell where I'm at today, but I'm in Half Moon Bay. So I think at this low tide I'm going to try and fish for some perch. And as the tide comes in, actually maybe now I'll throw some lures out there because it's pretty calm. I see a seal right over there. That's not good. Alright, got my Kalisa right there with the pink belly. A little weight on the end. Changed out the hooks. I've got it on my 10-foot Okuma Rockaway. 20-pound braid. I'm just going to go straight away right here. Bunch of pelicans right here. Bunch of them diving out there, so maybe I'll actually try throwing the Castmaster and see if I can get it out a little bit further. We'll see. Let's get this bait wet. First cast. Holy cow, look at all these seagulls. A ton of them. There's more than a gang of seagulls. Just don't poop on me. That same seal is coming back down the coast, I think. I can see him bobbing in and out. Last thing I want to do is hook a seal. Then we'll do another handful of casts, and then if nothing, then I'll switch over to the Carolina rig with a worm or a paddle tail or something. Oh, got something. Oh, it's running. Oh, got some. Oh, look at that. Oh, came on. I think that was a bat ray or something. Because that was like smooth drag. Holy cow. That wasn't a striper, because that was definitely too smooth. Wow, that was a little scary. It was peeling drag like crazy. There were no head shakes whatsoever. So it definitely wasn't a striper. Could have been a shark too. But my drag is tight and it was peeling. Oh yeah, it could have been that seal right over there. He's sitting right in front of those guys over there, so it might have been the seal, I don't know. Because that's where it was peeling towards. Like smooth. Like zzz. You know, no, it wasn't like zzz, 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 and then stop. It was like zzz. So it quite possibly could have been a seal. Because again, they've been swimming back and forth here. And it was peeling straight left where those guys are, right over there. And then next thing I know, I see two seals over there. So maybe the seal dragged it down, I don't know. And here comes another seal. Not good for business. See him right there? Right there. Alright, so right now I'm just using this Okuma Rockaway Surf Perch Edition. And hopefully to catch me some surf perch. Let's go Team Okuma. Let's get some perch, man. So I've been out on the bay a couple times and skunked. That's probably why you haven't, or it is why you haven't seen any videos in a while. But went out on the bay a couple times, didn't catch anything. So it's kind of been disappointing the last times I've gone out there. So I don't think the stripers are around anymore. I think they've gone home for the winter. But I see a lot of people talking about the fall run. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I don't know where they run to. I think they run upriver, so down by where I fish, oh, got some bites here. Where I fish down in Brisbane, South City, I don't know if they would be down there anymore because when they come in through the Golden Gate, they'd be making a left up to the rivers. So unless they're lost, they would make a right down towards where I go. In which case, I mean, there's probably not too many that get lost because I think they all kind of go in schools and follow each other. So I don't know, we'll see. The pesky seal, keep swimming, buddy. Keep going. Keep moving. You don't want my little imitation sandworm anyway. Come on, seal, why do you keep following me, guy? Why are you just gonna sit there, huh? No, I'm not throwing you fish, I'm trying to catch something. Me and you are competing here. You're going that way, I'm gonna cast that way. Got him. Feels like a little guy, but I got him. Little guy. Little barred. Little skunk. Toss this guy back. Little barred. Little guy. See that right there? Nice little bitty barred. Alright, there you go. Alright. Got him. Got him. Another little guy. A decent sized one, actually. A little bit bigger than the last one. A little bit bigger than the last one. Nice bar. Not really big enough to keep, though. And you could keep something like that, but that's only like 8 inches, 9 inches. Too small. 2 on the Z-Man imitation sand crab. Alright, now let's get something a little bit bigger. Like I always say, guys, fish with aloha and all will be good. Or just live with aloha. That's what I say. Got him. This one feels a little bit bigger, actually. Yeah, a little bit heavier, but let's see. Nope. Same size. Might even be the same guy. Still not big enough to keep. That might be the same fish. But always fun catching them. There you go, another one. See you later, buddy. Oh, now the pelicans are diving in front of me. Should I switch it up? Nah, I'll just keep fishing for perch. Alright, 3 on the board. Looking for a keeper. This imitation sand crab is actually doing pretty good for me today. Cut those 3 in about almost 4. So I cut them all back to back to back within about 20 minutes. There's got to be a school right here or something. Pelican's diving right over there too. Tempted to switch over to the Castmaster again. Got him. Oh, don't got him. Got him. Got him this time. Wow, it's little dude. Maybe I could use him as bait. No. Too big for bait. You're the little guy that's been stealing my bait, huh? Well, maybe I'll use him for bait. Nah. I think the jack smelt are better for a cut bait than the perch, from what I understand. Size number 4, albeit a little guy. I think if I catch a decent sized one, I'm going to keep it. So anything going forward, I'm going to keep it. Drag it through the fish farm a few more times and then call it a day. Ah, got him. Got him. Oh, it's a little one. Little guy. Suck it. Yeah, little guy. I was going home, but I caught this guy. Should I use him as bait? I think that's good bait for it. Maybe we'll try it. I'm gonna try using him as bait. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use this little perch as bait. See that right there? I don't know if that's too big or not, but we're gonna try it. I've never used live bait before like this, so let's get it out there. Go swim, little buddy. Got him. Smelt. Huh. Alright. Got a smelt. So 5 perch and a smelt. So that was the first cast that I had with this bait, which is, there's your smelt right there. There it is, smelt. So this bait that I'm using right here is sort of the a knockoff to all right, so as I was saying, I got these baits right here off of Temu just to see, because it looked kind of like a sandworm, and that was my first cast with it, and it kind of smelled a big smell. So let's see if we can catch some big other fish besides the smell. That rod still has my fish perch on there, hopefully. I'll have to reel it in just to see what's going on with that fish. See if it's dead. I would have used that smelt for bait, but I'm going to leave pretty soon. So I'll probably take it off the hook and let it go. I hooked it through the back, so it should be fine. Just let it go. Alright guys, so I think I'm about done. Caught 5 perch. Kept one because it was gutted. Slammed that hook. And one good size smelt on that Temu bait. And so right now I'm just waiting until either the bait comes off from a fish pulling on it, or the seal is gonna get it. I don't know. One of the two, because I got the Temu bait on there as well as my salmon. Look, there's 2 seals. And these 2 have been up and down this shoreline all day. Look at that, staring me down. Mocking me. Alright guys, I think this is going to be my last cast. We just hook it right out there. Drag it through the fish farm one more time. And then pack it up. Not a bad day today. Caught the 5 or 6 perch, kept one. And one that I'm keeping is because choked the hook, and when I got it out it was still bleeding, so it's alright. I'll go home, fry that up. And then I caught that one smelt with that new Temu bait. That was kind of cool. Like I always say, guys, live with aloha and everything will be good. Alright, peace out. Thanks for watching.